My people, now good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Anthony, your regular presenter for First Aid Immigrant Solution. I say make I can't do the part 2 of the video wey I first drop before concerning the commission hearing matter. In case if you never watched the first video, which is the part 1 of the one where I dropped about a few days ago, I'll first start from there before you continue from this video. So this part 2 of this video will be say now I want to talk about now concerning this commission hearing. So the day where you know say you get commission day, some of the right where you know say you still get, I'll still talk am for this video because of say many people they fear for commission, and the right where you know say you get where many people don't know. Now say make I first shook my mouth put so that in case of in case of necessity, as those people wey know say that they speak English, they talk say information na be power. So if you know say you know dey inform, so you go dey the phone for some area. Now make am be say now I say make I come shook my mouth put, because as I dey cook this story, so as e dey done now, say make I dey drop am small small for this YouTube channel so that our people go still learn from am. So I no come use this one may I take create fear for una, or may I take create any impression to anybody wey know say they watch this video, but I dey use am still take dey educate, take dey give any consolate advice to any of our brothers and sisters wey go find this video useful. Una no forget to subscribe, and una always put thumbs up so that e go dey give me the energy wey I take dey drop this video. More videos still dey come concerning any other topic where you still want me, you see where you want make I shook my mouth put, make una dey write me or comment for this section of this video. So for those people wey you know say see they comment ever since, wey I know they see chance see they reply on a comment, I dey see all of una comment, una too much, all of una na correct people now una be. So let me go straight to the thing wey make me come today. So concerning those people wey you know say they camp where they ask of political asylum or international protection, for those people wey know say they camp see they write wetin dem dey call relative letter, which means your letter of good conduct. So Italo they call am relazione. So that one a big Italian language, which means a letter of good conduct. They write and follow each political asylum to commission. So your commissioner, before he interview you, don already see your attitude for camp as e dey be. If your attitude dey good, they'll see write good report follow. If your attitude still dey bad, see write bad report follow. Now I say make I some use this opportunity to shook my put that letter. See they give you credit to, because they don't want give paper to hoodlums, they don't want give paper to touts, they don't want give paper to people wey know say no increase their economic, or we no add to economies, to their economy. Like our people wey see they come well, some of them go they camp, though they carry man or woman to camp when they know say e dey against the rules and regulation of that camp. Some of them go they camp, though they shook their hand for wetin no good, when they know say they against the rules and regulations. Some of them go they camp, they'll travel for days without taking any permission to any operators or any person wey you know say they take care of that camp. Those things they affect our brothers and sisters well. They fit throw you out. I see one day see they come where I still shook my mouth to that area. So what didn't make me just come be safe? You know say you dey camp, or you know say the right political, you dey ask for international protection, make sure say you get good conduct. That one still dey add well. Then another thing again wey be your right be say, if the day of your commission hearing, you get right to stop the commission if you know say the translator wey dey translate for you, or the interpreter wey dey interpret for you, you know they understand am. Wetin they talk, you know they understand am. No fear. You get right say wetin this guy dey talk, I no gbadu am, I no understand am. The commission get right to stop the commission that very point. They go fix another appointment for you. You know me say that appointment they'll fix for you, they won't use and take give paper. No. So they fit give you time for them to see the right translator wey go fit translate for you on very good day. So now I say make I use this one still take tell you two, that one na your right. So before you start any hearing, you go first talk with the interpreter. Ask am where you for come, whether the person dey understand the pidgin English wey dey speak, or the language, or anything wey you know say una take dey communicate, whether you dey understand. If you use shame take chop poison, at the end of the day na negative na go be the result. Na im make am dey tell people say no use shame take chop poison. If you no dey understand am, tell the commissioner say this guy wetin dey talk so I no gbadu am, I no dey understand at all, so that they'll fix another hearing again for you, so that they'll find time to look for better interpreter where you come from, the region, or where you come from, the country or the state where you for come. That one are your right. Another thing again, if you know say you no dey in the mood for that hearing that day, you no wan talk, or you dey emotional, or you get one thing or the other, or you are not psychologically fit, that one na big grammar. Wetin I go take break am small be say, if you know say your body no carry that commission day, you dey tense, you get right to tell commissioner say abeg today I no dey in the mood to answer any question now because of say I dey due rest. So commissioner still get right to still take say, okay, what about if they give you 1 hour, e dey okay, or make dem shift the appointment to another day, e dey okay for you. Na your right for you to tell them how you dey feel, because dem wan hear the story wey you talk wey make you comot for house. So dem make sure say you tell them the way the thing be, no be the one wey you wan tell them now you dey due rest, you dey shake, or you no well, or psychologically you no dey fit. So in that case, instead of doing anything wey you know say dem no make dem take give you, all you don need to do, just communicate to the commissioner say abeg I no dey in the mood to talk concerning this because of wetin I don pass through. Can we shift this appointment to so day? E fit take 6 months, e fit take 3 months, e fit take a year, or still give you another time for them to hear your matter again, because na your right. Then another thing again, if you know say you still get in other proof wey you fit bring, or any other documentation wey you go take bring in order for them to believe the hearing or the story wey you make you comot for house. If you know say the time wey dem give you for commission too short, you fit tell dem say abeg I bin get other documentation wey I for like bring, or wey I for like produce, because of the time schedule too short for me wey the commission dey take come. You still get right to still tell commissioner, they go still shift am because of that one. Now say make I come still use opportunity to chook my mouth put for all this one wey I don talk. So all this one na your right wey you fit take communicate to commissioner. Commissioner na just person wey be like you understand, no be dem no dey chop person. All you mean be say make you know your right on how you fit take communicate to the commissioner, because the hearing dem fit postpone am, dem fit shift am based on all these 3 things wey I don talk. So if you no dey understand the interpreter, or you get any difficulties in communication with the interpreter, or you get any other documentation wey you know say go fit take make dem believe your story, or if you know say you no dey in the mood for you to talk concerning wetin make you comot for house based on say you dey emotional, you fit get right to still postpone am. So now say make I come chook my mouth for this aspect of it, while the rest other ones wey I first talk before concerning our attitude, e still dey contribute well well. You no dey ask for political asylum, you go dey create nuisance, or you dey create bad impression. So at the end of the day, if dem don write letter of good conduct to you, if dem say make you no cook for camp, no cook. If dem say make you cook. If dem say make you no invite girl to that camp, no invite girl to that camp. If dem say make you no invite boy to that camp, no invite boy to that camp, because all these things dey bring bridge of gap, e dey bring bad name. At the end of the day, if dem come dey write letter of good conduct dey follow you, you no know wetin dem write put for that letter. So that thing dey tarnish and dey make dem dey give person negative. Na make me say make I come chook my mouth put. If una know say una get any other question concerning this commission hearing, so una fit call me for 351-012-3025. And make una no forget to subscribe. So more video are still coming on this channel, First State Immigrant Solution. Na here na we for the knack am, na we for the talk am. So that anything wey dey go on, how our people go fit integrate well, na be our goal, na be the thing wey we dey talk for this channel. So make una no forget, make una try, make una still dey hit the subscribe button, na free, so that make the ministry for still dey go on well. So na here I for end this second part for today. So we will see for the next time. Una bye bye.